What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today I am out in Upper Marlboro, Maryland, and I'm going to be showing you a super cool project in this house right here behind me. You guys know we're on a journey to deliver excellence and theaters into every home, or well, media in general, into every home around America. So I'm out here traveling Virginia, Washington, Maryland, DC area, showing you guys some projects, and hopefully it gives you a little inspiration. If you would like to purchase anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. We have nationwide free shipping and the lowest price guaranteed, as well as a very extensive installer network throughout the nation that we are currently building, and also a free design service. So we have you covered. Audio video is our specialty, and we'll be happy to help you out no matter where you are located. Now, the guys told me this is a pretty special project, but it's not finished. So what I'm going to be doing is showing you what the current status of the project, and then you got to subscribe to the channel because I'll be back over here when it is finished. All right, let's go into this house and check it out. All right, I'm pretty excited to meet this client. He's super stoked for me to come out here and check out the project, give him some pointers. And it's really just been a great experience. Everybody has been good people. I mean, we have the best customers, no lie. All right, cool. Well, let's get into this house and check this thing out. All right, guys, I just came into the theater room. I'm gonna walk you through real quick and show you what is going on. This is a beast of a system. We'll start up here at the front of the room, the front sound stage. It's a full Martin Logan system. And so right here across the front of the room, we got the Martin Logan edges, and these are LCRs. So specifically designed for left, right, center application. And this has that folded motion tweeter right here, which delivers incredible clarity and high frequency audio. Martin Logan is a really nice brand, and we carry this, guys. This is the IW, the Martin Logan IW, Electromotion, and that's being used for all three surrounds. So this is a 9-channel system, and then we have overhead 4 ATMOS, and these are the Electromotion Rs, the 8-inch. Same thing, it has that folded motion tweeter, which delivers just incredible clarity in your high frequency audio. And you can see the customer has it lined up just perfect. He's going all out on this project to make sure that it's done right. And then he's going to do 2 subwoofers, which aren't in the room yet. Front of the room, over here. And then you can see the projector wiring is in place. We're going to be doing the RS4500 laser projector from JVC and broadcasting onto a Stewart Cinescope screen. So he's thinking about, hasn't finalized this yet, but he's thinking about doing the RS4500 with the Panamorph DCR lens, and then doing the Lumigen scaler. You guys know we made some videos on that. That is the ultimate widescreen true home theater experience that you can get. It's a pretty sweet setup, and Chris Deering is who programs that for us, which is world renowned as the #1 calibrator in the country. And then over here, equipment's gonna terminate here if it all fits. If not, the client was showing me the space behind this wall, which he actually has like a whole little walk area. Can I get in there, sir? Yeah, he has like this whole little crawl space back here. Pretty cool. Plenty of room to store the equipment. And we were talking about doing the Trenov processor. So really just top notch all the way through. You know, I was kind of bummed that the project wasn't finished, but it's really cool to be able to show you guys projects that are in the works and then come back and show you the project completed. So if you want to see the project finished, you gotta subscribe to the channel down below. All right, guys, well, that does conclude my quick walkthrough on this build that is partially through. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it informative and inspirational and something that you could do in your own space. Again, I'll be back to check this out whenever it's completed. It's gonna be freaking amazing. Now, if you would like to purchase anything home theater related, including some of the products that we just mentioned here, give us a call. We have nationwide free shipping and the lowest price guaranteed. And any products that are required to have professional installation, we have the certified pros on ready for you guys. We have a very extensive preferred installer network that we're building up throughout the entire country. And then we have guys like Chris Deering with Deep Dive AV that we partner with, which are known as the industry's best for helping with the very complex programming of systems like this, like the Trenov and the Lumengen scaler and things like that. So we have you covered on all aspects, guys. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and make sure to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.